what has been your personal biggest win this year? Kelly, you want to start?
Okay, I'll go first. Yeah, sure. I mean, for me, I think Kay kind of touched on it. For me, the biggest win was really looking at my schedule and looking at how I used my time and really understanding that I could, believe it or not, even though a lot of people thought they had too much free time and they I think were bored or they were just watching TV or whatever, I looked at time in a totally different way. When I didn't have to be on flights and I wasn't driving 4 states in 2 days, and I looked at all of the time that I had, and I actually discovered that there was more there than I thought. And now that I'm back to work, I am seeing clients again in person. I'm not really flying as much, but I'm getting so much more done now because I'm a lot more intentional with how I spend my time. And I've gone back to doing some things outside of dentistry, more volunteerism and other things that are so important to me, but I kind of put those things on the back burner because I made the excuse that I didn't have enough time. So to me, the biggest gift was to really reevaluate and figure out how to use my time in a more meaningful way.
I love it. And Kay, what about you? What has been your biggest win this year?
So, gosh, it has to be the same as Kelly. When all the shutdown happened, I don't think first of all, it took me a while to even think that dentistry was going to be shut down. So right. I thought, okay, well, we'll do a few webinars and then things are going to start back up. Like no one in their right mind could have saw this coming. And so I think that doing the mindset that you could still do coaching and do it virtually and be very successful at it was eye-opening. I would have never thought that could have happened. And, we went strictly virtual because a lot of ours were flights. And so we were trying to be really careful, but it's been successful. I mean, it to see that happening, imagine what Kelly said, you would get on a plane, you would go to a different city, you would be away from your home. So I love the fact that I can still help practices and that I can still work with the team and, the TRs at Benco and make things happen. And I have time for myself. Sometimes it's crazy. I actually sometimes will go walking or running in the afternoon. And at first I used to even kind of feel guilty, like, oh, should I be out doing this? Like I should be working. And so, I think that was the biggest thing. And to also think that doctors still appreciate it. They appreciate your time and they really are, forthcoming about saying that they need help and they need some guidance because there was a lot going on. I mean, team members didn't come back to work, and doctors were trying to find and train new team members. And so just being able to still help people felt really good.
Despite all the different things that have happened and the world has kind of flipped upside down, I still believe that this year is going to be ending on a good note. I think that
so a lot of blessings, so many blessings, right? So many great things. You got to look for the good stuff. It's not all bad. Not to minimize the people that have been sick and all of that, but there have been blessings all along the way. So
find that positivity, find that excitement, that energy that you have, because we have to move forward. And this is not the end. This is not the end, guys. We have to move forward and we are going to be brilliant at it and we are going to be amazing at it. And 2021 is going to come in and it's going to kick 2020's ass and it's going to be amazing.
And I want to say, Minal, if anyone out there is listening and they need support, they need help, they can reach out to Kelly or I.
Absolutely.
That's the one thing that, that I love about this is that they can call us. And, I usually will take calls anytime. I just love talking. That's the people.
She just wants somebody that wants to talk on the phone. She doesn't want to text. If you want to talk on the phone, Kay is your girl. I like the phone too.
Kelly, you're just like me. I'm like, what? Yeah, Kelly's just like me. And in Kelly, I will say we have to give a shout out to Steve and Danny because they've always been very supportive of you and I together. So
that's right. And so find your circle. Your circle can be as big as you want it to be. There's no limit to your circle. Everybody on this call, hopefully you include us in your circle. We want all of you to be part of our circle. It's all about supporting each other. And absolutely, if there's anybody that's on with us today that feels like they need a little support, no strings attached, no judgment. Reach out to any of us. Any of us would be happy to be an ear and a shoulder to lean on, without a doubt.
And usually if we can't answer the question, we know somebody who
That's
can.
right. We'll point you in the right direction. Without a
We
doubt.
always do. We always do. Well, ladies, this has been incredible. Thank you so much for being here with me and sharing and, just being the incredible you. Like, you both are just incredibly amazing. And, this was in the making for the past few years. So I'm glad.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Years, literally years. Another great thing about 2020, we finally did Coffee with Kay and Kelly.
Yeah, I think we should do this every quarter. I really schedule one every quarter.
I agree. I feel like we need a feel-good episode with a fantastic. You guys are both amazing. So I do think we should make this into a quarterly special episode, which is
I love it. I'd love to hear what the audience thinks about that. I'd love to hear.
Well, the audience is already posting circles in comments. So, ladies, you all know how to reach us. Kay and Kelly, just a quick thing on how can they reach you if they want to reach out.
So
Yep, go ahead. You go first, Kay.
You can call me and I'll put you Kelly. No, mine's simple. Mine's it's KHUFF@binco.com. So it's the letter KHUFF@binco.com. Go ahead, Kelly.
And I'm Kelly, KELOY, at Smile Potential, one word, Kelly at smilepotential.com. And I'm
Wonderful.
on social media too, Facebook. You guys want to find me there? I'd love to connect with you guys on Facebook as well.
Thank you to the wonderful people who are watching. We love you guys. And you know what? Happy holidays if I don't get to talk to you before then. All right.
Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.